Hello there, welcome back. Today I have another eyeshadow palette, first impressions, and today we are going to try out the Violet VOSS Creme Brulee fun sized mini eyeshadow palette, I guess. I showed you this palette in my beautybay haul, and here we are. We are going to try out this baby today. This is how it looks on the inside. It's pretty basic, pretty nude. The only color that kind of pops is this peachy coral shade, and that's it. I guess I'm going to create more like a fall kind of makeup tutorial today, and again, I don't have any Violet VOSS products in my makeup collection, and I'm excited to try this little one. I'm not really into these colors, but they are cute. They are cute. So I'm going to use again my Anastasia eye primer, and I guess that's it for this intro. It was a very messy intro. Anyway, if you guys want to see how this performs on my eyes, then keep on watching. I'm going to do this eye on camera, and if something goes wrong, I'm going to do this other eye on camera. If not, I'm going to do this eye off camera. And again, I'm going to try to use as many colors as I can. We have 10 eyeshadows. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Okay. Wow. We have some pigments. Let's see the fallout. Okay. There's no fallout in the pan. I'm going to apply this in my crease. I'm picking more color. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, this first color. What? Like, it looks very blended. This is one of those colors like one and done. You know what I'm saying? Like, this applied all over the lid, and a little bit of shimmer in the inner corners, and boom, you're done. Okay, moving on. I'm getting a little bit of obsessed with this color. Okay, moving on. I want to try one of these semi-matte colors, and I guess I'm going to take, I don't know, should I use both? Like, yeah, why not? I'm going to take this color, and I'm going to apply it a little bit below where I applied the first color. And again, we don't have any fallout in the pan, which is kind of crazy. Okay. Oh. So I don't see the shimmers. Like, where are they? But I see them in the pan. You know what I mean? I'm picking more color, and I'm starting to see just a little bit of kickback in the pan, and as we can see, there's golden shimmers inside, like right here, but I don't see them on my eye. Whoa, I went crazy. Oh my god, these are so pigmented. You see that? I need to blend that out. So I'm taking again the first brush. So they don't have names, but anyway. So I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to pick a little bit of this color, and as we can see, they are very pigmented, so I don't want to go crazy. Maybe a little bit more, and I see a little bit of kickback in there. And let's see. and more color. And again, I don't see the shimmers, like, oh yeah, there's like little shimmers right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So far this is so easy to blend, like super easy. I'm going again with the brush that I applied this color right here. So I'm taking the brush and I'm going to blend a little bit more, and then I'm going to take the brush that I applied the first color and blend even more. And as we can see, the first color, like this beautiful peachy one, it kinda disappeared, so I'm going to take a little bit more of this one and apply it right here. Alright, this looks beautiful. Like, so far it was super easy to blend. They are very pigmented, very soft, they are not powdery. Okay, next I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to be right back. And again, I'm going to use this primer to cut the crease, okay? So I just cut the crease. It looks a little bit wonky. Anyway, so I'm going to take a little bit more of this darker shade, and I'm going to blend the concealer or eye primer just a little bit right here to make it look more seamless. So I'm going to take this color right here and a flat brush, and I'm going to apply that right here. I'm going to take some more color. It feels very creamy, very buttery, and as you can see, it's very pigmented, so I don't need to use it wet. So I'm going to take this one right here. Alright. This one is so beautiful. Like, wow. So as we can see, I did got a little bit of fallout from the shimmers, but as I said, that's very normal because shimmers are very messy. So next I want to apply, like right here, I want to apply a lighter shade, and I don't know which one, like this one or this one. Let's swatch them to see. Alright, let's see. Oh, what? That's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's see this one. I think I'm going to apply this one. So again, I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to pick this color right here. Alright. Wow. You see that? Like, you see that? They blend so easy, like right here. That's it. That's blended. What? I can't believe how beautiful they look and how easy they are to blend. Like, are you kidding me right now? This was the easiest eye makeup look I've done. Like, super easy, super fast. I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to use my Fix Plus again, and I'm going to wet my brush. Okay, and I'm going to take the lighter shade, and just because I'm curious, okay? So I'm going to take this shade right here. Okay, and let's see if there's any difference. Wait, I have shimmers in my eye. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it looks more foiled. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. But oh my god. Wow, like for real. This looks bomb. Okay, so I just applied a little bit of the eye primer, and next I'm going to go with this darker shade right here. It looks like it's shimmer, but I don't know exactly. So I kind of want to do like a smoky bottom lash line, and let's see how this goes. Or maybe I should swatch it first. Wow, that's the work. Let's see. Wow, that's kind of black. I'm going to take this pencil brush It's very dark. It looks almost black. I feel like this is way too dark for this makeup look. It's not bad. And I got that in my eye. So I'm going to take the brush that I applied this eye primer, and I'm kind of trying to clean a little bit right here because I went kind of crazy. So I'm going to take this shimmer right here and I'm going to apply it on top. This bottom lash line is crazy. So I'm going to take my makeup wipe. So I'm taking again this color right here and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And I really need to retouch my brows. I think I applied a little bit too much. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I know I say this in all of my videos, but honestly, I really love how this turned out. Like the colors are very in right now. This is a very fall makeup look inspired, kinda. Anyway, I really like the formula. They blend super easy. The pigmentation is there, the fallout is also there, but mostly from the shimmers because, as I said, it's very normal to get fallout from the shimmers. I don't know what to say about these two colors that I said they are kind of semi-matte. They look pretty matte on the lids. If you blend them, if you just tap the color, you can see a little bit of the shimmers or whatever it's inside. So you can use them both ways depending on what makeup look you want to create. For this makeup look, I wanted them to be a little bit more matte because, as we can see, I have a bunch of shimmers. I'm not gonna lie, the only two mattes are these two colors and I only use this one. And as I said in the beginning, I know I said this palette looks kind of basic, like neutrals, you know, it's kind of basic. It's pretty basic, pretty nude. But look at this makeup look. This is not basic. This color right here really makes the makeup stand out. And I don't know, this makeup look is not basic. I'm just telling you, okay? It's very fall-ish ready, as I said. So, yeah guys, there's not much to say about this little palette. The price was I can't remember, but it was super cheap. That's why I bought this, because it was cheap. The formula, as I said, amazing. They blended very beautiful. The shimmers are there, like very pigmented. As you saw, I didn't have to use them wet or to use my finger. They work beautifully with the brush, like with this flat little eyeshadow concealer brush, whatever this is called. I don't know exactly. So as I said, they work beautiful with the brush. You don't have to wet them. And I don't know what else to tell you guys. Obviously, I couldn't use all the colors in here, but stay tuned because I'm going to film more makeup tutorials with this little one and also with the Zoeva one. Like, I'm impressed, you know what I'm saying? I really want to try more brands because I feel like I'm buying the same brands all over again, like Colourpop, BH Cosmetics, and I want to try more. I know there's a lot of brands out there with amazing products. So Violet VOSS, wow, mind-blowing, like amazing. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope it's not that long. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Like, I'm feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? This makeup look though.